I sometimes get comments in my drumming live streams that I don't know how to drum or that I'm not qualified to teach. But I've been drumming since 1998 and... So why do I look like a beginner when I practice the drums? One reason is because I spend most of my time practicing slow. Like 40 beats a minute slow, even if I can play a couple hundred beats a minute. You see, there's a paradox with practicing the drums. You'll be able to play fast when you learn how to play slow. Why is that? The slower you can play, the more you can refine your technique. That's why most of the thousands of free play-alongs on my YouTube channel's home tab start at 40 beats a minute. It's a perfect tempo to refine your playing because there's so much space between each one of the notes. And going up one click at a time also prevents gaps in the consistency of your technique and sound quality. Just make sure to use a fast technique when practicing slow. What? If you want to play fast with a relaxed sound quality, you need to practice with the same technique when playing slow. If you're practicing at one height, let the sticks rebound instead of playing downstrokes. Otherwise, you'll work twice as hard by stopping the stick only to lift it up again for the next downstroke. If you're playing accent taps, don't squeeze the stick or overplay accents. A rigid technique won't sound or feel good at any tempo. So even though it might feel like you're playing too light, stay relaxed. Let the weight of the sticks and the heights do the work for you. The velocity will naturally increase as you gradually speed up. The more patient you can be with this process, the better the results. Another reason why I sound like a beginner is because I practice things that I'm not good at yet. Think of practicing like farming experience points in a video game. If you try to farm XP off easy monsters, you'll hit a level cap where you can't gain more XP. So if you want to level up, you have to gain XP by fighting monsters that are at your level or higher. Same thing with drumming. If you play things you already know how to do well, you won't gain much XP. But if you practice what you need to improve, you'll gain significantly more XP. But the XP grind can feel draining, which is why I recommend playing something fast or fun the last 10 to 20% of your practice sessions to trick your brain into thinking you had fun the entire time. Try it out using the thousands of free exercises in my YouTube channel's home tab. And if you'd like even more drumming lessons and tips, I've got hundreds more to choose from, like a lesson on what to do 10 minutes, 1 hour, and 5 hours after drumming to improve your recovery and learning.